Today I'm going to talk about the Roamate Smart Portable Wheelchair. I'm going to give a straightforward overview of how it works, how easy it is to move and store, and who it's designed for. One of the first things that stands out is how simple it is to fold and unfold. The process is quick and doesn't feel stiff or complicated.
Wheelchair mode start. Lock mode.
In terms of weight, it doesn't feel overly heavy for what it is. It's manageable to lift or reposition when needed, especially compared to standard electric wheelchairs that are designed to stay in one place. When moving it around, the steering feels responsive. It turns smoothly and doesn't feel jerky or delayed, which makes it easier to control whether you're guiding it or pushing it. The overall movement feels stable and predictable, which is important for a mobility device. Nothing about it feels loose or flimsy while in motion. The design is clearly focused on portability and flexibility. It's meant for situations where you want something easier to transport, easier to store, and simpler to manage than a traditional wheelchair. This makes it a practical option for travel, short outings, or situations where space is limited and convenience matters. It's still a mobility device, so you'll want to plan for storage space, but compared to bulkier alternatives, it's designed to reduce friction and make handling easier. Easy to use. The overall build feels sturdy and well thought out, and the folding design makes it practical to move, store, and transport compared to more traditional wheelchairs. Steering feels responsive and the controls are straightforward, which helps keep operations simple. Overall, it's designed with portability, ease of use, and everyday convenience in mind.